I wasn't sure if I would make it back to my hometown this Christmas break. And I'm so grateful that I managed to come back home and spend quality time with my family and friends. Now it's time to show you all the hidden gems my hometown has to offer. And this is where it all begins. As I touch down in Beirut, Lebanon.
I am currently in Lebanon, Beirut, and I'll show you what Lebanon is all about. I'll show you the best restaurants, the best food, best cultural places, and yeah, come along. Another day, another destination. I'm currently here in Junia. We're on the road to go to Batroun. People go to Batroun in the summer mostly to swim or to have lunch near the beach. But now we're currently in winter, so water is a bit cold, so I'm not gonna swim there. We're gonna go have lunch. And in Batroun, there's the Batroun souks where you can go and walk around. There's small like local shops that are very cute. And you can go walk around and have fun and even have the best lemonade at Hilmi's. Come along.
2 hours later.
We're currently in Batroun. We've been at the same spot for an hour and a half. We ate all the food. Rewind, Tala. I'm currently in the downtown. I'm at one of the famous mosques here in Lebanon. As you can see, there's a mosque right here, and there's a church that is right across right there. Currently at Raouche. This is a very famous place here in Lebanon. People come and walk here and bring their kids. It's also next to a very famous university called AUB, which is the American University of Beirut. Currently at Raouche Beirut, and we're gonna do a tour of the boats to go see the Raouche Rock. It's one of the most famous monuments here in Lebanon. It's also called Pigeon Rock.
صخرة الروشة هي عمرها من أول ما خلقت الدنيا. صخرة الروشة ارتفاعها من 40 ل 41 متر تقريبا. هي رمز بيروت، نحن بنعتبرها صخرة الروشة. يعني هذه المنطقة كلها هون تعتبر صخرية تحت المي، بس أكيد لما يصير عواصف سرعة الرياح بال 130 و120 و100 بينشال منها أجزاء صغيرة بسيطة كثير يعني. بيضل يتغير معالمها من تحت أكيد مش من فوق. طلع بالصخر اللي بالوش هونيك بنحس إنه كيف مزيح هداك الصخرة، نحس الصخرة مزيحة. وين الخضار اللي هونيك على راس الهيدا بنحس انه كمان نفس الشيء صخرة الروش. ونحن بنتاسف لشغله كثير هيك بس بدنا نحكي عليها، انه في ناس بيقولوا صخرة الانتحار. هي مش صخرة الانتحار، في كم حادثة صارت من هيدي المنطقة حدا انسحب فسموها صخرة الانتحار، ما في حدا طلع عنها وانتحر يعني اكيد. طلع لفوق، هيدي السور كله وطويل، شوفيهم؟ كل هدول
اوه ماي جاد
كلهم وطويل هون. انت شايفه هيدا بس هو عايشين جوا هن كثير، يعني تقريبا 10000 15000 اضعاف هون.
يس. Harissa, Beirut, or come pray and there's a church. And here's Our Lady of Lebanon. And you can go all the way up and you can see the beautiful view of Lebanon. Today we're gonna have ice cream at Bashir. Come along. Today we're gonna visit some more places in Lebanon, and the first thing we're gonna visit today is the Baatara Waterfalls in Tanourin. So we're gonna stop along the way, show you some other locations.
هاي وراك كمان نفسها.
Way to Baatara Waterfalls. On the way we passed by Le'lou, which is one of the famous destinations here in Lebanon to go skiing. So as you can see, there's a lot of snow on the street. Oh wait, there's not here, but because there's the wall. Your eye is gonna show you the snow. Currently walking to get to the waterfall. 10 minutes of walk to get down. And there's a bit of snow on the road. I'll show you around. The people here are so nice. So we met a guy and he was so sweet. He like gave us sweets. Gave us how to get here. Look how beautiful this is. So cool. Guys, look. We made it down. Waterfall is there. This is insane.
بلوع بلعة هو تكوين ونطى الأرض بثلاث جسورة عبر مئات الآلاف من السنين. تم اكتشافه بال 1800. مي كانت عم بتفوت بقلب الأرض وما حدا بيعرف وين بتروح.
Thank you.
هذا عسل الأرز، هذا عسل صنوبر، هذا مربى الكرز، مربى التفاح، مربى التين، صلصة بالفينيجر، ماء الزهر، دبس الرمان، شراب الورد.
The next morning, we were headed towards Zahle and made a stop at a famous Lebanese dairy store, known for their Lebanese cheeses. They make some of the best Lebanese sandwiches in Lebanon. The place is called Masebke in Shtura.
اللبنة يا ستي الحلوين من عنا، نحن بنعملها المعمل عنا جوا. أنا صار إلي هون بهاي المصلحة 63 سنة، كان عمري 17 جيت اشتغل. نعم، أهلا صباح النور. أهلا.
Thank you. Merci.
I hope this video gave you a glimpse into just how special Lebanon is, from its food to its rich culture, its beauty, and its people. There are so many more places I didn't have time to visit, but I hope to share them with you in the near future. Comment below your favorite place to visit in Lebanon and let me know where I should go next.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Next Friday.
Next Friday.
Next
Friday.
Bye.
Bye.
Wow. Welcome to Lebanon. Hey everyone, currently at Raouche, and this is where the people have daily walks. I don't know what to say. Tourists is our own country.
I love the craft. The craft